Hey folks, this is Justin Savage coming at you from Total Value RV. Today I'm going to be showcasing the brand new 2020-23 FBKS. The FB stands for front bed and the KS stands for the kitchen slide. Today we're going to show you some of the nice features that this trailer has to offer, and we'll go from there, alright? Starting off from the front here, you're going to have your power stabilizing jacks here. So you can retract it by hitting the button up or extend it by hitting the button down. You're also going to have a couple light markers down here below as well, so you're more visible at night, so you're not having the issue or worry of someone coming in and hitting your trailer. Okay. Down below here you're going to have your solar panel hookup. That is a portable system, so you can angle it wherever the sun is positioning to get that most solar panel power as possible. Right here you're going to have a little bit of storage, and notice how all your baggage doors are going to have magnets as well. So no more messing with those latches and no more of those things coming down, snapping and hitting your head. On the new Micro Lite, you're going to have your curvature roof, which is going to help deflect all that rain that comes down when you're outdoors camping. If you notice, you're going to have a couple rain gutters here that really help deflect all that rain, so it's not just coming down everywhere. It kind of deflects it off to the sides a little bit. Right here you're going to get a nice little look at your pass-through storage. And it does have access from the inside as well. This is going to be your outdoor table that comes with your brand new Micro Lite trailer. It also comes standard with the grill as well, which we'll get to later in the video. Right here you're going to have your nice MORryde steps. Some of the advantages of having a MORryde step, they are aluminum, super lightweight. I can pick it up with one hand, and that's nice because I can adjust the legs if I'm at a different height wherever I'm camping at, so I can get the best sturdy balance there. Yeah. And I have a nice little hand grab here as well, so it makes for easy access. Beautiful outdoor frameless window here, looking right into the patio area, so you're never going to miss a beat if you're inside making a meal or just playing cards or whatnot. You're also going to have two speakers on the outside with another light out here, orange light, so it does get rid of some of those bugs. They're not going to be attracted to it. And underneath your 15-foot awning here, which pretty much covers most of the trailer, you're going to have an LED strip as well, so that's really going to help bring a nice little nightlife party to your outdoor camping experience as well. Right here you're going to have your TV mount, so you can never miss a big game if you're out camping. You're also going to have your TV hookup right here. And then a couple 110 outlets right here, which are GFI certified as well. Your axles below are going to be on an 8-year warranty. It's the Torflex axles on the aluminum frame below. For your gas grill that I was talking about earlier in the video, it slides in right here with your table, and then down below you're going to have your LP hookup. So you can go ahead and quickly plug in your grill and cook up some food when you're hungry. Back here you're also going to have your power stabilizing jacks command control system right here. So again, retract is up, extend is down, with another light marker right here as well for easy visibility. This right here is going to be your water filtration system, and also it adds a little bit more storage, so you can store a hose in there or whatever it may be as well. On the back side here you're going to notice you're going to have easy access to your antifreeze valve there, so when it does come time to winterize your trailer, you can do it easily right there. This is going to be your city water connect, so whenever you have pressurized water or at a campsite, you can go ahead and screw that in here and you're going to have full access of water to your whole entire trailer. A nice feature that Micro Lite does is, if you notice on the back bumper, there's not really a lot of places to put your sewage hose, but what they did is, you're going to put them, you take off this little latch and you can slide it in there, so that way you're not getting any of that yucky, waste all inside of your baggage doors. It's a nice thing that Micro Lite does. Also, you're going to get your spare tire as well, and then another ladder for accessibility to your roof. Check your seals, and kind of sit up there, maybe sunbathe or whatever it may be. You're also going to get a nice frameless window on the back. So another advantage of having a frameless window is all your seals are going to be hidden behind your window. So the advantage of that is, if you're out in the Colorado, California, Nevada, Florida, your seals aren't going to be exposed to that sun. They're not going to warp, they're not going to shrink or crack, and you're not going to get that water leakage going inside your trailer anymore. So it's a nice feature to have the frameless windows. Notice, again, you're going to have your water spouts up top there to help deflect some of the water away from your trailer. And you're going to notice you're going to have your max air vent in the very back of your trailer as well, with your 13,500 BTU furnace or air conditioning unit on top as well there. Okay. Coming around to this side, this is going to be the back of your water heater. It is a 6-gallon water tank heater. So you're going to have plenty of water to shower a couple people. So right here is going to be your tank flush system. So go ahead and screw a hose in here. It's going to flush out all your tanks. Notice how your shower is going to be on the opposite side of your patio area. So that way, if you do have kids and they are dirty, you're not getting all that mud, sand, and dirt in your living area on the other side of your trailer. Down below, you're going to have your gray and black water tank flushes there as well. Easy access on the other side of your trailer. This is going to be your gravity-fed water system. So if you are dry camping, for all you boondockers out there, or if you just want to fill up your tanks before you go camping, you can go ahead and put your little your hose from your house, fill it up here, and it'll be gravity-fed into your tank. So that way you don't need to have a pressurized water system. This is where your cable and satellite antenna goes when you're out camping at a campground. This is going to be your 30 amp plug-in, which is marine grade sealed, so no more worrying about water getting in there, or for your old timers out there, bugs or ants used to get up in there. How you know you're getting power, this will turn green, and that way if it's not lit up, you know you're not getting power to your trailer. When it is lit up, you know you're getting all the power possible. This is the back of your refrigerator for easy access if it does need to be repaired or maintenance wise. You're going to get another nice little storage area here. Okay, notice how your slide on this one's going to have the awning topper on it. The advantage of having an awning topper on your slides is that it's going to deflect some of that debris if you're parked under a tree or what may be. It's not going to get stuck on top of your slides here, and it's not going to jam when you're trying to close them. Okay. This is going to give you another nice view of your pass-through storage here that I mentioned earlier in the video, which again is accessible from the inside of your trailer as well. Alright. Coming around to the front side of the trailer, the front of your new trailer, this is going to be a nice little rock guard down below. A nice little light here so you can see what you're doing at night. This is going to be a laminated front window, so no rocks are going to come up here and chip your window or crack it when you're traveling down the road. You do have space for 2 batteries in the back here as well, and you do have 2 LP bottles that has an automatic switchover as well there. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Alright. So the nice thing that I like about the Micro Lites is you're going to have the nice Murphy bed set up here. So an advantage of having a Murphy bed, when you're not sleepy, you can fold it up and you have all this accessible living space. So I'm going to show you how it works real quick, folks. Like I mentioned outside, you have accessibility from the outside for your pass-through storage. This is how you can access it here. So put the Murphy bed down, you pull this strap, lay this sofa flat. Make sure both of your hooks are unlatched here as well. And then go ahead and pull her on down. And notice how light it is, guys. I'm doing it with one hand. So super lightweight, easy to use. And you do get that nice backsplash with the privacy curtains and the nice window in the back area there. Notice how on both sides of your bed you're going to have nightstands as well as dressers. So you do have the his and hers dressers. Okay, so to put the Murphy bed back up, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over to this side, pull this little latch, and then this, all it is just lifting up on one side. And then go ahead and put it up. And when you're camping and you're parked, you can go ahead and leave your Murphy bed unlocked, but when you are traveling, we do recommend that you lock it up so it doesn't fall down when you're traveling. Alright. So it comes up like this. Another nice thing to point out about this sofa, you're going to get 2 little tables, one on each side, and this is a recliner as well, so you can kick back. And notice how your TV is positioned in the back area there, so you can kick back and relax and enjoy your night or your day. Coming around to your dinette table, a nice thing to point out is This does make into a bed. It does also collapse, so you can take it outside. There's no more need to bring another table. This will collapse down. You can take it outside and use it for serving or just for more eating areas. This is the outdoor grill that comes with your trailer as well. And then you're going to have some storage below your dinette table as well here. Above your dinette table, you're going to have a ton of storage, which is totally pass through. Nice area to put your chips, bags, cereal boxes, whatever it may be. You're going to have your Furrion flat screen TV with the Furrion soundbar here as well. Your trailer is going to have 3 different speaker zones, so 2 inside and then 1 outdoors. So you can play a movie in here and you can watch the big game outside if you want. And also what I mentioned in the beginning of the video, notice this big window. I mentioned that it was facing the patio area. Imagine camping in this trailer on a nice hot weekend, looking out and seeing the kids play out there and enjoying their nice summer. Alright. Coming into the kitchen area, you're going to have your pantry here. So now I like to eat a lot, so they won't eat you out of this trailer, I promise you that. There's plenty of storage for all your food. You're going to have a nice little pass-through storage here to put your soap or whatever that may be. You're going to get your dual stainless steel sink here. And the advantage of having the dual sinks is you can actually rinse and you can wash dishes. It's not one of those big bowls that you can't do both in, so it's a nice thing to point out. I also like how they put one slotted sink cover here. So you can put all your vegetables on here, rinse it, and the water will just go right through. So that's a nice thing to point out as well. Here you're going to get your oven, which is auto spark, so no more getting down on one knee, sparking it. It is auto spark, and so is your 3-range stovetop. A nice thing I like to point out about this stovetop, I like how this glass is right here. I like that because when I'm cooking bacon, when I'm camping, I'm not going to get that splatter up and get it all on my backsplash here. So that's a nice guard, nice and easy to clean. And it also doubles as more countertop space when you have it down. You have a spice drawer here, or for maybe canned goods or whatever it may be. A little bit of storage above your fan here. And then you're going to have your pop-down GFI certified outlets right here, which do have 2 USB plug-ins there. And all you do is hit this little red button, push it down, and when you want to use it, click it, pull it back up. Notice how you're going to have windows in your kitchen area so you can look outside as well. It's not boxed in. It's not like you're not having a ton of natural light coming in here. You're going to have plenty of windows, plenty of natural light. Coming here to your refrigerator, it's going to be gas and electric. So just your standard trailer refrigerator. Plenty of room to put pizzas or ice cream, and plenty of room to put whatever refrigerator goods that may be. Alright, let's go take a look in the bathroom and see how spacious it is. Alright, so starting off in the bathroom, one thing I like to point out, you're going to have your 360 siphon fan. So a nice thing about having the 360 siphon fan is it's going to help eliminate some of those black water odor tanks, smells as well. You're also going to get a nice huge closet area here with the wrought iron there so you can hang clothes up. A little bit of storage above to put shoes. That's just a little storage area there for easy accessibility. If you need to have repairs, all your wiring is going to be below there. A little bit of storage below the sink. And a little pull-out drawer here. Okay. Alright, so stepping up into the bathroom, notice how I have tons of room to change. Do all my daily work that I want to do in here, or whatever that may be. I can also take a shower, plenty of room. Let's get in here real quick for you guys to see how much room this corner shower really has. So I'm 6'2", and this ceiling above, or this skylight above me, really gives me that extra headspace. Plenty of room to do whatever I need to do. Just a nice corner shower. Notice here on this unit, you're going to have your Aqua miser, shower miser system. What I like to point out is all you're going to do is just flip this valve closed. Let your water circulate through your pipes, and once it hits 94 degrees Fahrenheit, this pipe will actually turn white, and that's how you know your water's hot. That way you're not filling up all your gray water tanks and wasting all your fresh water. Down below you're going to get your bicycle rack that does come standard with your micro Lite. And you're also going to get a little bit more storage here as well. Alright. With your max air vent, which does have 4 different cycles, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, you can open and close it, and you can actually have it open when it's raining, so it's a nice thing to point out. Again, my name is Justin Savage. I work for Total Value RV. If you want to get a hold of me, go ahead and give me a call on my cell phone. My number is 574-309-2167. I also have an email address. You can email me at justin@totalvaluerv.com, and I'll hook you up with a deal, guys. Thanks for staying with us if you're still with us, and enjoy camping and have fun.